how to add or change a profile picture for contacts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, scroll down and click on Contact. After click on Contact, click on Edit. If you want to change or profile picture, click on Profile Picture, and if you want to change, you will select picture from here. And if you want to select gallery picture, click on Gallery, select picture from here. After select picture, click on Save. You will see picture is changed. After the process, click on Save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or change a profile picture or contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.